Super Kid Friends. We have More Than One by Miriam Schlein. Pictures by Donald Cruz. One is one. One sun in the sky. One whale in the water. Can one be more than one? Yes. Here is one pair of shoes. How many shoes in one pair of shoes? One pair of shoes is two shoes. Whether they're on your feet or under the bed, a pair is always two. Can one be more than that? Yes. 1 week is 7 days, one right after the other. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Can one be more than that? Yes. One baseball team is 9 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count them, and we did. Can one be more than that? Yes. 1 dozen eggs is 12. 12 eggs all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 eggs. Can one be different every time? Yes. One family can be 2 people. 1, 2. 3 people. 1, 2, 3. 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 6 or more. How many in your family? One flock of birds can have lots of birds. It's awfully hard to count them. There are a lot. One forest has lots of trees. One ocean has billions and trillions and skadillions of drops of water. But they are still just one flock, one forest, one ocean. One school of fish or one crowd of kids is made up of lots more than one. And one beach can have so many bits of sand you couldn't count them even if you sat there counting for a day, a week, a month, or even a year. So much sand. One, 2, 3, 4. One can be one, and one can be more. The end.